On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves that flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gains. I'm chopping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. But a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto.
What is going on, gang? The only gang you don't have to do anything to get into. Pretty cool, eh? What's going on, everybody? We got the Trump inauguration day. It is wild. I've already taken like 5 scalps. Let's go. Today's going to be a doozy. If you can keep up, you can maybe make some money. If you can't keep up, you might not be able to keep your money. So, my God, what a whipsaw. Now, good to see everybody here. Thank you all for being here. Make sure you get your coffee. Make sure you've dropped the kids off. I just dropped my son off at the pool. And prepare, because today is going to be an amazing day. We might have to glue ourselves to the seats today and prepare for possibly literal dumpage or literal hell. Valhalla to the moon. We'll see, but we'll be here to guide you all through it, okay? Looking like we're going to push back up after this big sweep of the lows. We got in long, and we've closed the long. Then we got short. Then we closed the short. And now we are just hanging out. My God. Holy smokes. Look at all these people in here. You guys came to hang out with me? My God. We got already 140 people in here. You guys are crazy, man. Guess you guys want to make some money. Very successful week last week. We crushed it. I think we were 4 for 4. 4 for 4? I'd have to go and reflect, but pretty wild. Now, this is why I don't trade altcoins. This is my example right here. This is Celestia, okay? Look at Celestia here. I want you guys in the chat to guess how much of a percentage is this? Up, down, up. How much percentage do you think this move is? Tell me in the chat. Tell me now. I want to know. This is... My God, it's 20%. It's massive. This is why you buy altcoins on spot. Okay? Looks like we're going to get a breakout right now. Ooh-wee. This is wild. This is wild, man. Bounced off VWAP perfectly, okay? Longed from here, closed up here. Looking for this to continue. Came off this trend line. Is it going to break out right now? Oof. Anybody in a long? My God, this is crazy. This is crazy price action. I think this is a little bit of a fake out. I think we can come a little bit lower. But it's going to be an intense day, my friends. an intense day. Thank you, everybody, for being here. How was your weekend? Did you guys trade on the weekend? 30.69. Let's go. Look at all these people in here. Good morning, good morning, good morning, Captain Pancakes. Ali, what's going on, my man? What's going on? Good to see you fine. Black Ice, Roaming Brave, Donato Caprera. What's going on, man? Good to see you. Whew, this is some crazy pie Saxon. Sean Behringer, lurking and working, baby. Double top in here, trying to come back down to this trend line. We'll see if we do get some relief here. This is pretty up only right now. So we had down only just recently. Down only. Up only. Down only. Look at this thing, man. We got the flamingo. What's with the flamingos in the morning, man? What's with this stuff in the morning? Caw. Jeez. Everybody have a good weekend? You touched some grass? Or were you all trading Trump coin? Trump coin to the moon. Now they got Melania. My God. This space is just getting more wild west the further we go. BC, Porcorp, J Violent, Michael, what's going on? Forget about it. What's going on? Let's get after it relentlessly. Dylan, what's going on? Chris Klein, Jesse Velux, Slam Banjo, but on there, pew pew. Goldie Crypto, what's going on, Goldie? Good to see you. All set. Tony Soprano, Jesse Good Luck, J Violet, Anonymous, Max Wild, Wazim. What's going on? What's going on? Steve Hickey, good morning. Let's go. This is starting to break up. Not wanting to buy tops. Okay, we don't want to buy tops. Okay, we want to buy lows. It's not easy to get into these lows, but we're gonna try. We're gonna try our best. Okay, we don't want to get wrecked. I am favoring up. I'm favoring up, even though we just dumped here. Okay, jeez, this is. What a great day to be in crypto, man. You guys, where were you on Inauguration Day, baby? I was hanging out with Alex O Crypto, making money, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Luxury Gaming. What's going on, Mo2? Good to see you. Chantel, good to see you as well. Deck Chick Tour. Good morning, gang. Good morning. I'm in the midst of making sweaters. Otter Gang sweaters. That's where I'm at this weekend. I'm gonna make Otter Gang sweaters because I know I wear the Tool hoodie and it's kind of the uniform. I just want a black hoodie with Otter Gang on it. You guys will see. So maybe we have some hoodies in the. I love a hoodie, man. Hoodies in the works. Okay. Look at this thing coming down right now. Double top, as we said, rolling over. Volatile, baby, volatile. We love volatility. Kai Dragon, what's going on? Jonah Perez, good morning, Alex. I love you. I love you too, man. I love you too. Happy weekends. Good to see you. G Corp, Orange Man. Oh. Oliver, good morning. Okay, rolling over here, coming back down. I am looking lower right now. This was an easy long down here off VWAP. Okay, we also had a beautiful long off of the retest of the golden pocket in here. Okay, so long here. Okay, as you can see here, I've been scalping like an absolute fiend this morning. Okay, up, down, all around. Buy, sell. Laddered into this position here. Buy, sell. Buy. Sell, got out of that one, break even, came back down, buy, sell, buy, sell, added to the position, buy, sell, okay? It's been a fun morning. A lucrative morning, okay? This looks like it's rolling over. I expect it to come lower here, down into here. We'll see how it reacts over here. Thank you, everybody, for being here on the live. I don't think I'm going to trade as free. It's hard to trade as free on a live stream, okay? But we'll do it. We'll do it, baby. We'll figure it out. Let's go. I'm excited, man. This is great. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 200 people here. Michael says, run for your life. Run for your life. All 200 of you. We're here live Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. And if you want to trade alongside us, we'd love to have you. Always crushing it. Jay Violet, good to see you. Crypto Pondering, good morning. Pervade Music, good to see you. Crypto Steve Ali says to the moon. F1, good morning. Good to see you, man. Wolf and Bear. Curves UK, how's it going, man? Good morning, y'all. Hold my hand. I'm so scared. Don't worry. We'll be all right, man. You know, it doesn't really matter as long as you practice good risk management. Have a so in days like this, you should have like a loss rule. So if you take 3 losses or whatever, you lose X amount of dollars, you should stop. Okay, you should stop because then you don't realize your psychology is changing, and all of a sudden you're revenge trading. Okay, so that's the key. If you I have 1, 2. I've already taken 4 trades this morning, 1 break even, 3 profitable trades. So it's going good so far, but it can turn nasty really quickly. Okay, look at this rollover here. Okay, we don't want to be buying tops. Want to be buying the dips. Lower your position size, right? Position size matters, my friends. Okay. Lower your position size. You don't need to be putting full position size when this thing is whipsawing. What's the word for that? Is it whipsaw or is it ripsaw or is it something else? When price is swinging 1% quickly, okay? Let me know in the chat what is it? Whipsaw. I think it's whipsaw. Whip. Cool whip. Cool whip. If you know, you know, right? Cool whip. Okay. Good to see everybody in here. Mark Dutch, what's going on? Slam Banjo. Ernie, good to see you. Patrick Swayze, good to see you as well. Good morning, Shivam. Shark Vin, good morning. I short Trump from 80. Okay. That's awesome, bro. That's incredible, actually. Look at this guy. From 80. From 80. It didn't even hit 80 on my charts, man. I mean, you must have been filled magically. That's pretty cool, man. I love that. Okay, bouncing off of this trend line here. Getting a little bit of a... this looks like it could bounce. Mini bull div in here. I might have taken this if it wasn't on the live. I'm just saying. I might have taken that. I might have taken it. Oh. Let's see if we get another shot. Sorry about that. I should have taken that. Shoulda, coulda, woulda, didn't. That's okay. It's okay. It's going to be a lot of those today. There's going to be a lot of those. You got to reset. Keep resetting. Set a new trap. Reset, set a new traps. Reset, set a new trap. Okay. Good to see everybody in here. Thank you for being here. Daniel R.S. Miller, what's going on, my brother? My brother, Green Dot Printing, yeah. Bastard. Traveling Studios, good morning. Todd, good morning to you. Darren does things. Size matters. Got it. I think it does. Otherwise, it wouldn't be a big deal. It wouldn't be a big deal if you just had a Canadian button on a fur coat, would it? Would it? Oh, man. Seesawing. Whipsaw or banana? What's going on, Melissa? Good to see you. Good to see you guys. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 217 people in here. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Hopefully, we can have you love Stewie. Whip. Look at all these amazing people in here. Easy C, Nick Musgrave, French Toaster, the bravest toaster of them all. All right, pushing here again. This was our entry. All right. What's volume looking like? I mean, the volume on these candles are crazy, right? Volume. Turn up the volume. Push back in here. Push down in. Trading is waiting, baby. Gonna be waiting all day with me here. Breakout retest. Now that's on the table. My God, we missed a nice move here. Ooh, I want to FOMO in. Nah, be level-headed, 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 level-headed. Oh, looks like we're breaking out, coming back up for this lows of this area in here. So if we're gonna look for the lows in a very small area, this Bart Simpson in here, you're gonna mark it out with volume. Okay, that's gonna always be a better opportunity for you. So you always want to mark it out with volume. Understand that, hey, this is the retest you're looking for, not necessarily higher or lower. You could come to the point of control, but this is where you're looking. Okay, good looking, all you good looking people in here. I bet you there's some real good looking, handsome, or gorgeous people in that live stream there that should be on the camera rather than me. I'm just a guy who presses buy and sell. I bet you there's some good looking people in here. Those people are like, they just you could throw slime at them and they just look good in photos. Those people. Tony Soprano is probably one of them. He is an actress. An actor. Sorry, bro. Oh, it's Monday. Let's not pick on Tony Soprano. Let's see some Tony Sopranos in the chat. Thank you for protecting the Discord, keeping this a safe space, banning all the absolute trolls and douche canoes. Thank you, Tony Soprano, for all that you do, my man. Maureen, good morning, beautiful people. Good to see you. Good to see you. Okay, coming back, giving us another opportunity in here. We'll see. No trade yet. Holding down here, a little overextension. This looks like it can come lower. Okay, a little fake out. Didn't come for any liquidity in these lows in here. See, this is why you don't buy tops, right? You don't buy tops, you wait. I'd like to see it come into here, into this little mini order block, but we'll see. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live with me here, hanging out. It's always fun. Oh, I want to take a stab. So what do we have? We have a very, 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 very vicious day ahead of us. Vicious, or it can be profitable, right? It's very much the cards are in not your hands, but in your risk management. I think that's going to be critical. On any day like this, it's going to be a day of managing yourself, managing your risk, staying away from the whipsawing or ripsawing or cool whipsawing. So it's very, very a very cautious day indeed. Good to see you, Airdropper, Wayne C, Littlefish. Good to see you, Kashar. Good morning to you, Kurosama, Joan. Good to see you as well. My God, so many good people in here. Slam Banjo, Roaming Brave, Littlefish, Shitrowski, Shite. Man, it looks like it's Shite Trowski. Okay, we're just gonna call you Trowski because I know you come here quite often. Thank you for being here, Paul Caruso, NS. What's going on? He made 10K off of Trump. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. That's awesome, man. Got to go here. Is it gonna go here? I consider getting long here, but we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. This smells like it wants to break down. This is trapping longs. Okay, trapping longs in here. Break down, double bottom, and then go. Okay. Everybody getting super bullish. So VWAP's below us here. Nice touch into VWAP. A nice couple longs this morning for me. And not, we can see ascending triangle here trying to break out, retest, continue, right? So for me right now, remember, I hate when you guys know me. I hate when Marcus Cypher starts to do this, right? Indecision. Very indecision, right? Can go either way. Nice push here. Nice push. My God. This is good. Okay, so let it push above these highs here. No push above the highs. Okay. Fake out. Mitigation of the high. My God, I just want to trade the living beep out of this thing. Trading is waiting. Trading is waiting. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out with me. Let's see if we can find some goodies today. It's going to be a good one. Do we have any like time frame for this inauguration? It's just a day. Is it like the whole day? Is there anything like to be broadcasted? Is there something that I could? I don't know. I'm Canadian. I'm Canadian as F. So, Michael, good morning. Good to see you as well, Tim. Tim, good morning to you, man. Thank you for all the good questions in the Discord, man. Keeping it real. I love people who want to learn. I love it. I love it. Tim Young, good to see you as well. Airdropper, Wayne C, J Violet, Jessica Luck, the Big Bean. What's going on, the Big Bean? Are you from Boston? R.S. Miller, good morning. Traveling Studios. Good morning to you, Drew, Melissa. Look at all these absolute legends in here. Maureen. Did we get the Tony Sopranos in the chat? Good morning, Tony Soprano. We love you here, Tony. 12 p.m. Washington time. 12 EST. It's in the game. See, that's why you go over to Piper Academy. And Nick Musgrave knows. These guys are in the canoe. In the canoe. See, that's why you don't buy tops again. Another one. So what oscillator are you using? I'm using Market Cipher, and I'm using... I have been requested to put on Chart Prime as well. So I typically only use Market Cipher, but as per request, I've put this one on here. We are sponsored by Market Cipher, and I do work for Chart Prime as well. So I'm stuck in the middle with you. So we can go both ways, baby. We can. I mean, at the end of the day, an oscillator is confirmation. It's another tool, right? So oscillator goes like this. Price goes like this. Sometimes price goes like this. Oscillator goes like this. And you get divergences, and you can trade those. They're nice. I like divergences. Okay, and both of them show them. Whoop, whoop. All the way, all around the world, statues crumble for me. Who knows how long I've loved you. Okay, breaking up here. Looking to mitigate this order block fully. Okay, coming into this area in here. We'll see if we do push. It's trying. It's definitely trying. Volume increased quite aggressively this morning, and now it has settled, I would say. But, I mean, all it takes is one little Trump smile. It seems like Trump farts and Bitcoin flies. I mean, if we're going to do top-down analysis, which we will quite shortly, as we continue to be growers and showers in this place. So it looks like we're going to go. Looks like it wants to go. Is anybody in the long from down here? I mean, I longed here and I longed here. I could have still been in it, but trade the plan. Don't trade what you think you should have done. Okay, look at, here it goes. So noon, we got noon. What's so important about noon? Noon will tell us what? Okay, here's the breakout. Here's our breakout. Very, very dismal breakout, I would say. Okay, very dismal. A little bit of volume coming in here. Thank you, everybody, for being here on the live with me, hanging out. Good luck. Good morning to you, Eric B. EV, good morning. Justin Eubanks, Luke Bitwalker, good to see you as well. Okay, fake out. Fake out. Coming back in. Coming back in. I still think we come here. One more time. One more time. I'm gonna get away. Sorry, I won't sing. I'm in a good mood today. It's Monday, baby, and we're out here. We got the orange man coming our way. We went all the way down to 100,000, back up to 100, all-time high. Absolutely chaos this morning. Good to see you all in here. Lewis, Martin, Tim, what's going on? Jeff, Mark Dutch, Army Piper. We're doing a live panel on Crypto Coin Mindset channel. Ooh, that should be cool, man. Get your mind right. I think the problem is that like people don't have a breakout, retest, continuation. You can do as much mindset work as you bloody well please. If you don't have a winning strategy, it doesn't matter how mentally strong you are. I think there's a lot of traders that trip up on that. Is that like they think that it's just their thinking, and it's a lot to do with their strategy rather than their thinking. You need to practice good risk management, have a strategy that you want to execute, and then you want to apply good mindset to that strategy. There's a big difference between that, and you can't just blame your poor trading and your poor decision making skills on your mindset after trading for 2 months. You know, it's like probably go back to back testing, confirmation, taking A+ setups, and really looking to maximize your profitability, lower your leverage, lower your margin, get into the charts, right? So mindset is great. And like I do agree. We have Trading in the Zone, Mark Douglas, in our Discord, and a whole bunch of stuff like that can help you. For me right now, I'm trying to hold trades longer. That's where I'm at. The strategy is good. The patience is good, right? However, there's always something to work on. So if you want to work on mindset before your strategy, I suggest flipping it. Work on your craft, right? And then you look at your thinking throughout that, right? Look at XRP. Yeah, come on, man. It's XRP, man. Probably just going up right now. Good to see everybody in here. Snow Day, let's get it. Jonathan Schaefer in the chat, my man. God bless you, Schaefer. Thank you for being here. All these incredible people. Like 78 is Dave Digitals. 290 people here on the live. Thank you so much for being here, supporting the channel. Ugly Wick on Tron now. Okay, I want 30K. I want 104,400. Okay. I think we gave that level 100,400, the level we gave in the Discord. Let's do a little top down for everybody, just so that you know. Okay, so my God, what an insane dump, man. So rolls over, and we gave you the options, right? We said either we're coming up to here to all-time high, or we're coming down to this area in here. So we said that in the Discord. I told you I wasn't trading it. Okay, not saying I had the crystal ball, but we were prepared, right? So we were prepared in the Discord. Either we're coming down to 100,300 into this area here, or we're going up to 108. Okay? Very, very clear. Either we're going up or we're going down, and that was just as we were wicking the highs. Okay? I gave you guys the update on a Sunday night, which isn't like me, and that was right here. So update given right here, and guess what? We got acceptance back down into the range, which gave us the short. I had people messaging me on my private DMs saying thank you for the short, and I love seeing people win, man. So it's amazing. It's amazing. So I love that. We came down to 99.3. Okay, when we were on the Billy Goat Tails last night, and Dave and I were like, man, we should buy this up. It's a nice SFP. However, we were both in the short saying, hey, we're gonna come down a little bit further. And we just bottomed just below that key level that we had in here. So we were looking for a revisit of previous highs, golden pocket, 786, yada, yada, yada. And we did so. Okay, so bada bing, bada boom, we came within that area here. Okay, looks like we're pumping again. Oh my God, this thing is relentless. Relentless. Look at the volume coming in here. Okay, big push. Big push. Don't chase it, please. Don't chase it, please. I see you trying to FOMO in. Coming into that resistance level, what is your percentage of trade here? 0.4. Not something I want. Ooh-wee. you take your eye off of it for 3 seconds, and it does this. Okay. Nice push here. Coming up into acceptance into the other range, back into here. Trying to get back into there. Here it goes. Resistance. Volume resistance. Does it care? Not really. Oh, wow. This is wild. This is wild. Now, I'm not sure if they're trapping longs going into market open. Remember, we got to wait till noon, right? We got to wait till noon till Trump speaks or whatever happens. So he's going to drop all the crypto bombs today. We'll see what goes on. Anybody get into that Trump coin? Let me know in the chat. My God. And I know some of you guys are in the long here as we continue to push into resistance. Okay. Pushing into resistance continuation. Will we get it? Volume picking up right now. Okay. Big. Look at that. Who took the short? No, I ain't shorting this. I'm telling you that right now. I'm not going to short this thing. Coming back down right now. I might take a crack. I might take a little stab here. Right in here. Okay. Firing it off. I'm long. Retest back down. Halfway up the candle. Push Bitcoin. No? Come on. No push. Come on. Gotta go. You gotta go, man. Volume coming in. Okay. I'm going to take a little bit off there. I'm going to take a little bit off right there. Can we continue here? Took a little bit off there. Keep pushing. If we close above here, I'm going to trail this with a stop loss now. No trail. Looking for follow through here. No follow through so far. Come on, Bitcoin. You got to go. I'm in like right here. I like the volume in this. Push. No push. I'm going to close that. Look to re-enter again. Okay. $50 on that one. Not much. Not much. I didn't like, there was no continuation there. Sometimes that thing wants to fly, right? So no continuation there. Quick $50. Okay. I'm going half a position size all day today, guys. So you're going to have to be quick. I don't suggest you follow everything I do. It's going to be a doozy of a day. You're going to have to be very quick on the risk management, okay? Very quick. I'm going to be trailing with stop losses, okay? I'm going to be getting in. I'm going to be trailing, letting it come against me. Okay, in volatility like this, you need to have a plan. Look at this thing's probably going to go now, which is fine. You need to have a plan. You need to manage your risk. Otherwise, you'll get chopped up. I promise you that. I promise you that. Okay, so quick in and out like a good Boy Scout. Even if it runs away, you got to let it go. Look at this thing. Look, here it goes. There was the follow through that we were looking for. Jeez. Got to let it go on to the next one, okay? Starting to go parabolic here. This is creating a lot of liquidity to the downside. That would have been a nice trade if we just held on a little bit longer, but that's okay. That's okay. Coming into acceptance into this range now. Look at that. Blow off topping. Coming back down. Coming back down. Look at this thing. Wrecking all the... See? This is why we got out. I mean, I don't got to tell you guys. You guys are here with the price action with me, right? So, oh yeah, we would have made an extra $50. Oh yeah, now we'd be in the negative, right? So, got to be quick here. And I'm not, this is going to be a fun day as long as you make it fun. You got to have a smile on. You got to be quick. You got to practice good risk management. And you got to be a little bit crazy. Got to be a little bit crazy. Let's face it. Let's go. Look at all these absolute legends in the chat, man. Look at that. We would have been down already. Oh, man. 107.8 for a short. Okay. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Good day, gang. Good to see you. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Gaines Nor. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel. We're almost at 6,000 subscribers. Holy shit. We might have to go live all day today until we get to 6,000. We're at 5,937. Good close, everybody. That's a win. That's a win in my books. Good close. Dave Digital in the chat. Jonathan Schaefer. Tony Soprano. Absolute legends in here. Thank you so much. Mark Dutch. Retro Mike Tech. Let's go. Could you talk about others and BTC dominance a little? Do those charts respect your TA? Yeah. Let's go over that, Banjo. Make sure you share that in the Discord, and let's go over that at noon in the private Discord chat when we do a live stream today, my brother. And then we can go and look at all that stuff, more macro stuff. We're always just trying to trade here this morning. This is my livelihood, so. Look at the rollover here. Good rejection here. Shooting star candle coming back in, retesting again. Okay. Good resistance level. Volume peaking. Rolling over now. Looking for a bounce. No bounce. Continuation. Like I said, still interested down here. 106, 250. Whew. But this is crazy. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Markets are closed today. Yes, it's inauguration. I can't even say it. It's that inauguration thingy, Inauguration. It's guration, man. That's the situation. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Hanging out with us. It's going to be a wild one. Lunar Beaches Crypto, what's going on? I got some Trump at $13. Let's go. Here's a big retest now. This one's the interesting one. Woo-hoo-hoo. Remember, set liquidity in here. Do we hold here? This is where we're looking for the long. This is where I'm looking. We'll see. We'll see if we get it. Little overextended here, though. Like I said, little overextended. We got this low that wasn't, even tickled. So nice bounce. Still looking for follow through here. Still looking for follow through coming down. I'd like to see a couple more candles. Just chop down. Let our oscillators reset. 3 minute. Toppy. Very toppy on the 3 minute. Okay. No trade. So big V-shaped recovery. All-time high hit today. Coming back down. Liquidity created. An insane whip-sawing event, okay? Coming into our rejection zone actually right now. Golden pocket rejection zone. 786, right? So this is resistance. That's where Schaefer's probably looking for that short. Okay. That's where Schaefer, see, look, going our shorter term time frames. That's where Schaefer was looking in short, 786. I know Schaefer loves his 786. You can't deny it. Oh man, nice buy up here. Nice buy up. Okay. Pushing into that 786 again, Schaefer. We're in trouble. What an amazing day. 340 people in here. This is a great day to be in crypto. Make sure you're using lower position size. Lower your margin. Lower your leverage. Give yourself a little bit more breathing room on a day like this. Maybe you should just go and get a haircut. I'm going to go and get a haircut tomorrow. Because days like this are fun for me. $13 for you, Oliver. Good job, man. That's awesome. Wick 589. What's going on? Did you change your picture? I don't buy stupid celebrity tours. Hawk to a Trump or the Queen of England. Nah. I would buy some Queen of England just to pay respect to Mrs. Otter. Dave Digital, what's going on? Lee, it's going to run. Don't close. We closed it. Man. We closed it. It was a really good close. It came against us, okay? It's not going to run. You can't. Yeah. You can't. You can think like that all you want, but yeah, it's a doozy out here. I want it to run. This looks like it's going to run. But we got two topping tails, okay? 1 minute. Two topping tails here. This looks like it's coming down. Right? We're looking down here. We'll see if this holds. We had a nice little buy up in here. Volume's decreasing as we're getting higher, okay? Suggesting absorption in here. So possibly we'll look for continuation on this move, but a little bit overextended to my liking, all in here. And I mean, it's crypto, baby. It can keep going if it wants, right? It's just for me, want to set that trap, have the trap, execute the plan, right? Now we're going to be looking also at this. So we'll go swing low to swing high here. Golden pocket 786 zone. So if we come back for a full retracement, that's where we're looking. Okay. We have a 382 bounce level here as well that we're looking at as well. So we can look for an aggressive continuation out of this area. Okay. Another one and another one. Okay. So looking generally in here, not looking to buy the top, especially at a 786, trying to get acceptance back into this range up in here, right? We just identified that range before we started here. We said we need to get above, closing above this area here at let's call it 108,000. We did not do that. Therefore, we assume that we come back down in acceptance into this general area. Okay. Right now, just banging its head, trying to push, but no push has been successful. Right? If you get acceptance back into here, you start closing, and price appears to be strong up here, then you can justify getting long up here. Okay. We wanted to see follow through on that long that we saw here. We didn't get the follow through, so we closed it. Okay. Just going through it slowly but surely. Patience will prevail. Always. Always. If you're not certain, don't take the trade. Okay? I will always let you know when I enter, when I exit, what I'm doing, what I'm thinking. Okay, don't worry. I'm here. I'm not hiding it from you. Flagging out, pushing up here. Still exhaustion in the highs. Okay, so there's clearly a wall here of resistance trying to break through. Something like this would be welcomed. Love to see this go, though. That would be great. Push Bitcoin. Shout out to everybody on the live. Thank you for being here, hanging out with me. God bless you guys. Lunar Beach's crypto. Wick, wife. Where's Wick's wife? She's coming. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out with us. All-time high will be hit. Let's go, Joan. Love it. Love it. Yeah. Lee called it. I'm not sure what. I love when you call stuff, too. Call me on your cell phone. Remember when Mike Tyson did that song? That was good. That was good. Look at all these amazing people in the chat. Good morning, Sierra. Good morning, Army Piper. Bitcoin trying to rip here. Let's go, baby. Second attempt, double top. You banks, I bank. Be your own bank. Jonathan Schaefer, Wick 589, Rashad Slam Banjo, Wayne C in the chat. Kishar, good morning to you. Nick, what's going on? Lunar Beaches Crypto. If you are new here, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for hanging out. Good to see all the regulars in here. You know, I appreciate you guys. Trade Intuition in the chat. In my hero, Airdropper. What's going on? Army Piper's a baby otter for 4 months. Thank you for being part of the membership here. Army Piper, Tony Soprano, Wick 589. If you are new here, say good morning. We'd love for you to say good morning. You guys are in health check on Virtuals. Virtuals is going to the downside. We gave an amazing long trade on Ondo. Tia, absolute gong show. Ethereum chopping up. Trump coin coming down. Bitcoin double top. Rejection here. We should have shorted this thing. In any normal market, you would short that. You would short that. Topping out, bearish divergence, anchor trigger wave. It's all there for a short. It's all there for a short. I am cold, man. Ooh, I got to get a heater or something. It's like minus. It's like minus. It is minus 14 today. My friends, this is my forecast right now. Look at my next 3 days. Look at this. This is Canada, baby. Monday, minus 14. Tuesday, minus 17. Wednesday, minus 10. This is Celsius. Oh. I got to get my heater. I need a space heater in here. I'm looking where I can plug it in. I'll be right back. I'm going to get a heater. I'm freezing. Only in Canada. Look at that thing. That is the creme de la creme when you're in Canada, okay? Under the desk, keep you warm. Bitcoin's dumping, see? You didn't miss anything. Oh, that's nice on the toes. Oh, man. 370 people in here, and I'm talking about space heater. My God. What's going on, everybody? Plugs in the heater, the whole setup. You know, I had my power supply like unplugged last week and totally ruined the stream. Plus 10 on the East Coast. Maureen, I'm jealous, man. Oh, man. Okay, looking like it wants to push here. We got a symmetrical triangle. Sheesh. All right. Well, this just looks like it just wants to wreck everyone. Right? Bullish. Building longs. Gadoosh. That's what I see. 5 minute. 5 minutes overextended to 8 minute. Yeah, trigger wave downside. 12 minutes pushing up. Holding zero line. That's good. That's bullish looking on the 24. The one. One's cooling off. The two. All right. Very choppy. Yeah, here we come. Go back. Safety first. Safety first. Coming back in. Coming back in. My God. All right. A little lower. Looking for the long. Looking for the long. $786 rejection here. Continuation. Can we get some continuation this morning? Look at these candles. Okay, so you push up, shooting star, push up, shooting star, bearish engulf, bearish engulf. There's no reason to want to long this other than your bullish sentiment, right? Other than your trend, the bullish sentiment, your hopium, right? Those are the things that are telling you to press buy here, not the TA. I guarantee you got double top in here. You're looking for Jesus take the wheel. If you know it right here. Jesus take the wheel in the opposite direction, trigger wave in here. I'm not saying that longs aren't going to work here, okay? Because obviously there's the hopium, right? The hopium factor. Just don't want to be a victim of the, okay, whatever that is, the big dumperelli. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live here. 370 people here. If you are new here and you do want to hang out, come over and hang out in our Discord. Amazing people. $1 a day keeps the doctor away. Would love for you to come over and hang out. You get 4 traders. Amazing group of people helping you be profitable. The calls before they happen, the setups, the trade setups. I mean, Thesis crushing it, giving you guys all the setups. Brewberry crushing it, giving you guys all the setups. Kyle, same thing. Okay, live streams 3 times a week from me, 5 times a week from Brewberry. Incredible. Okay, look at this thing breaking out. Should have longed it, right? Should have longed it. Shoulda, coulda, didn't. Didn't. Okay? No trade yet. Took a little scalp in here. Nothing special. Okay? Follow through in here. Can we get up into this range? Point of control. 108, 230. Nice push here. I just swept this high here. Continuation. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. No trade here. The volume is decreasing as we're pushing in here. So that's a concern for me. VWAP way below us here. Choppy. Okay. Is it going to go? The retest back in? Looks like it's ready to go. When it looks like something, though, you always got to no trade here. But if it looks like something, you always got to ask why does it look that way? What is the market maker trying to do to your brain, right? Like it's not necessarily them doing it to your brain, but it's the euphoric kind of thinking, right? Where it's going to go up. I'm going to miss it. I've missed the move. I've missed this move, right? Like, I mean, we've all missed all the moves, okay? This is crazy. Like, you don't get these moves, okay? You try your best. I bought down here twice last night, and I closed here, okay? I bought here. I closed here. I bought the next high low. I closed again, okay? Maybe that's shit, but that's also me understanding environment. I bought here, closed here, bought here, closed here, right? Okay? That's me also understanding. I take what the market gives me and run, right? And run. Look at this. This is euphoric all the way up here. Zoom out a little bit. Give yourself a chance, right? Yeah, it looks like it's going to break out. Of course it does. All you want is your bags to go to Valhalla. You want to retire your family, and I totally get it. I'm in the same boat. I'd love to, make a $10,000 trade today. Minus 15 here, says Little Fish. It's cold, baby. Pay yourself first. That's it. Got my screens up, hearts on the line. Every minute counts. Got to make it that dime. I watch for the order books like it's Trading View show. One wrong move and you're broke. So you better know. Alex O. Crypto. Love it. Randy Hipper in the chat. What's going on, Randy? Good to see you. Jonathan Schaefer in my hero. NQ is trading better. NQ sweeping the lows, coming down, retesting the high, previous highs, bouncing right now. Continuation. Nasty in here. This is nasty. Sending triangle here, trying to break out. Crypto Creek, good morning. Aaron, good morning. Good to see you. CJ Beats, good to see you as well. Sierra, good to see you guys. Lee, what's going on? Good to have you in here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Hanging out with the gang. If you are new here, please subscribe. Appreciate you guys all hanging out with me in the morning. Hope you had fun at the hockey game. Yeah, it was a good game. It was a good game. I love hockey. Obviously, Canadian. I guess I can't assume all Canadians love hockey. But are you really Canadian if you don't like hockey? That's the other question you got to ask, right? Third tapping down, says Michael. Yeah, right. To me, this is very, very, if it wasn't for euphoria, right, of everybody think this going up, right, you would be shorting this, right? Stop loss above here somewhere, above the point of control. But, Donald, baby, McDonald Trump says it's going to go up. So, of course, it's got to go up. You're going to like what I do for Bitcoin. You're going to love it. Let's go. Okay. And if we miss it, we miss it. We adjust on the fly, right? We always got to be dynamic, Look at this thing rolling over. Cheeky bastard. Cheeky. 5-minute rolling over, right? 8-minute rolling over. Overextended, right? Overextended. If anything, we're looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9:30. Looking generally around 9:30. This guy hasn't gotten inauguration at noon, as I've been told. I guess we're going to have to go live all day, right? I can go live till 11. 11 is the longest I can go live. Then I got to go and teach. And then I got a Discord. So it's a beautiful day. Don't let it get away. Maybe I stay on with you guys till 11. Depends how good you are to me. How much you share this out. Subscribe. Hang out with me. Hang out with you. All that good stuff. I don't know if I even shared it out to the Discord this morning. My God. Everyone. Why aren't you here? You should be here. I thought you're part of the gang, you know? All that good stuff. Shout out to my yellow teeth. You do want to subscribe to my yellow teeth. It's at least my teeth are real. Looks like it wants to go here. Bitcoin pushing. Jeez, this is painful. Very painful price action. Very makes you wanna just press buy, doesn't it? I can see you. I see you with your little buy button. I see you. I see you. I see you. You're gonna press it, aren't you? I see you. You're gonna press it. And you would have been wrecked. Right there. Boom. Right back at you. Coming right back at you. I see you. I see you want to press it. I opened a $3 long at the top. Zena, good morning. You should DM us earlier, letting us all he's going to say today. Yes, that is my job. I'd have to charge $500 for the Discord membership if I have to get up and immediately tell you what my plan is for the day. I don't even do that with my wife, and she has all my money. That would be hilarious. Are we going to talk about ribs? My grandma has the best ribs in the whole planet. I have a slight allergy to pork, and I eat all of my grandma's ribs. Okay, I don't mind. On the way in, it's fine. On the way out, it's questionable. Okay, it's questionable. However, when you do have my grandma's ribs, you will never have enough. That is the problem. So sometimes I can be almost hospitalized, I would say. Breaking down now. Are we just going to get long off this trend line, friends? We're going to long off the trend line. No, we're not. Coming for the mitigation of this low. Double top, rolling over. Coming back down. Areas of interest, okay? Areas of interest in here. Retesting this area. 382. Could bounce here. Could bounce here. If we hold this low, I'll be considering a long. This low here. Pushing down. Coming for the liquidity in here. Big order block below us here, right? Manipulation. We're going to look at the bottom of this order block in here. And the 382. That's where I'm looking. Generally. If we do get a nice buy up here, I could jump in for a quick scalp. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live with me, hanging out. I do appreciate you guys. Okay, we're getting bought up here a little bit. Possible opportunity to get long. Just waiting. Just waiting. It's fighting. It's fighting here. I like this. Can we come a little bit lower? If we engulf here, I'm looking to get long. 30 seconds on the candle. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 3 black crows coming in at us here, rolling over here. Let's see if we get strength in this candle. Get a good pushback on volume here, 10 seconds. Fighting for this trend line. All right, close below, no trade. Continuation down. Look at that. Don't fight the narrative, man. Don't fight the narrative. Rolling over here, coming for this low in here. Let's see if it rolls over. This thing looks like it's going to go. It just looks like it's going to roll. Total roll. Roll here. Come on. Come down into 107.245. Let's go 107.3. 380. Oh, big buy up here. Big buy up coming in. No push. Still looking down in here. A buy up coming in. Trying to hold this trend. That's a good candle close there. That's a good candle close. We got a hammer candle there. Might take a little stab here. Running away from me. I'm not chasing it. My God, you so quick. Taking a little stab here. Right there. See if we go. I like the buy up here. Push Bitcoin. Stop loss just below that low. Just below the low here. Let's see if we run here. I like the hammer candle. Big push up. Continuation here. Come on, Bitcoin, push. You got to go. Got to go here or we're out. Got to go here. Doesn't go here. We're looking lower. It's got to go, man. Go, push. Holding that low. It's got to go here. Push Bitcoin. All right, pushing up a little bit. My God, struggling really struggling at this high here. 786 rejection level. Really struggling here. Not looking good. Not looking good. Halfway down the candle, back up. Continuation up or no? We're cheap here. Not looking good. Not looking good. Maybe I rushed it a little bit. Maybe I rushed it. Bitcoin coming down. Dang it. Not good. Not good. I think I rushed it. I definitely rushed it. After all that patience. After all that patience, man. Stop loss just below these lows here. If it holds these lows, then we're still going to hold it. I think this is coming down, though. Yeah, it's coming down. $300 loss coming right up. Unless it holds here. Dang it. If this holds, I'll laugh. All right, stopped out. Stopped out. On to the next one. Dang it. Nasty. Should have waited. Okay. Rolling over here, Bitcoin. That's why I use a stop loss. Coming down into here. Next trade. What did I miss here? So looking at this, obviously we have the topping here. Yeah, they tricked us here, man, with the price action. They tricked us in here. One hour triangle getting bought up now. This is a crazy time, man. Wick 589 with the 5 memberships. Thank you so much for being here. Welcome to the gang. Alexandra G with the 10 gifted memberships. Don't forget to smash the likes. Thank you, Alexandra G. This is getting bought up again. I think they're playing games with us. You getting long here? I don't know. Breakdown, retest, continuation. Rejection 786. No trade. Still waiting down here. We'll see if we do push. Gonna be a wild one today, friends. SYN, thank you for being here. Alex Pins, Doltex, Active Atlas, good to see you as well. And Dree, good morning to you. Jay So Crafty, good to see you. Green, welcome. Jun Sakib, good morning to you. Good to see you all in the chat. Thank you for being here. God bless you guys. Thank you for supporting the channel. Alexandra G, Wick 589. Welcome, Sten. Going for Fit, the bird next door, Easy Crunch, Tesla Man. What's going on? Good to see you. Now you guys can put the gang in the chat. Hi all, welcome. Givers gain. Let's go, Jesse. Good luck, man. I'm telling you not to put in super chats, but you could do whatever you want now, man. I ain't your dad. Much love, Jesse. Good luck. Thank you for supporting the channel, man. God bless you, bro. Retest breakdown. Wild movement, man. Wild movement. Stairs up, elevator down, yeah. This thing looks like it's just wanting to roll over here. Rounded top. I should have known better. Obviously, we take our licks down a little bit today. On to the next one. That's it, man. On to the next one. You got to be... Yeah, I got tricked out by the candles here. A little bit of hopium. I don't think that was a good trade at all. Off this trend line. Trend line kind of tricked me. Die, trend line. Inauguration day, baby. Maybe, like I said, I should have stayed off the live. I was crushing it this morning. Long here. Break even here. It's very volatile. I can't make any excuses. All I can do is manage risk and try to take good trades. It's not easy. That's okay. On to the next one. On to the next one. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live with me. We're down 1 today, which is okay. We'll see. Coming up, pushing back here into the 786, trying to push back down. Givers game, baby. Gang, 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 gang. Are you my daddy? And what do you do? Love for the otter. Much love to you guys. I'm already losing my voice. It's only Monday. Look at all these people in here. Sniper's Nightmare, K-Dragon. Look at this thing push. My God. Coming back. Swinging down. Ruin everybody. Big push back up here. Equal lows here, higher low, continuation. Lower highs in here. Choppy. Trading is waiting. Let's be patient. On to the next one. I got slippage on my last loss, man. $600. Was it slippage? I can't even read it. Yeah, $600. My God. That sucks. I hate that. That's all right. Slippage is when price shoots through. On to the next one, baby. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. We got 376 people in here. Trump inauguration day. Maybe we should have taken a holiday. We're up today, though, from this morning. A pretty crazy day, nonetheless. We'll see if we can find some moves for you guys. Thank you, everybody, for smashing up that like button, subscribing if you are new. Slippage. So slippage is when, when you have your stop loss in here and price shoots through aggressively. If you don't have it on, there's a button you can put so it closes exactly at that level, but sometimes it'll take the next closest price. Okay, so slippage, you Google it. Sometimes it'll push through and your next sell or market in is down here. So instead of taking the loss up in here, which was planned, okay, that was the planned stop loss. It pushed through here, and you got like a close down here. So you lost a little bit more than normal, which is annoying. Looking to get long. See if this wants to continue. I would like to see this break out. Gonna take a little long here. Maybe we're gonna get into some revenge trading. Oh man. I like the sweep of the lows in here, the continuation, looking for this to continue to fire off. We'll see if it does want to go. Looking to possibly get long in here. No trade yet. I like this higher low, though. Looking for continuation here. Take a little stab. We'll see if we go. Push, Bitcoin. You tricked me once. Will it trick me again? That is the question. What's going on, everybody? Back on the horse. We'll see what goes on. Always short-term memory here. It always serves the best. Slippery situations. Monthly VWAP, Alex. Jesse, you say monthly VWAP every single stream. I'm going to put you in a timeout. You and your monthly VWAP. You're going on a 10-second timeout for your monthly VWAP. Oh, man. All set in the chat. What's going on, man? Good to see you. Good to see you. Jonathan Schaefer. Mark price versus the real price. Yeah. And then you pay an extra like $40 for the slippage. I like this sweep in here. Can we continue? Can we continue? That is the question. Trading, baby. Let's go. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out with me. You could be anywhere, but you're here with me. Thank you for subscribing, hanging out. We're down today a little bit. Looking for this thing to pop off. Will this be the move here, or are we just getting some hopium? Looking for continuation here. Banging our head on the 786. Stalling out, flagging out here, bull flagging out. Okay. Can we continue? That is the question that we all want to know. That we all want to see. Will this continue to the upside, or will this come back and wreck us? Looking to get long here. Take a little stab here. Quarter position size. Stop loss below this low here. We'll see if it goes. We'll see if it goes. Put a 1 in the chat if this is going to break out. Put a 2 in the chat if this is going to dump. I want to know. I want to know what you guys think. I need to know what you guys think. 2, it's going to dump. 2, it's going to dump. Everybody's saying 2. Nobody thinks it's going to pump. Too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You are like heaven to touch. 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1. It's about to go lower. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Everybody's staying lower. I'm staying higher. Nobody has any hopium. They're all rational traders in here. 2, 2, 2. Too many bears in here. Lots of bears. Wow. 2, 2, 2s. 1, 1, 1s. Look at the ones. We'll see. Rolling over here. The reason for the dump is we have hit the 786. We have put in a triple top here, 3 drives. Ah, man. This is nasty. They knew. They must be watching this. They must be watching this. Jonathan is a spammer. Schaefer has been my main mod for since day one. Day one, he put together this channel. I just come on here and yell at people. I just come on here and yell at people. Look at this thing. You guys got to will this. You got to will it to the moon, guys and gals. You got to will it to the moon. You got to tell it to go. Tell it to go. Tell it to go to Valhalla. You guys got it. It's we're break even now. Oh, man. When we thought we were out, we were out. When we thought we were up, we were up. Trading is waiting. However, trading can be fun, even on an inauguration day. This is never financial advice. Today is a different day. Today is a very volatile, sporadic, price ripping, face melting. Look at this thing. You can't write it. You can't write it, but it is fun. It is fun. Slippage sucks, though. Slippage does suck. Come on, Bitcoin. You got to go, man. You got to push. You got to push, baby. Coming down here. Head and shoulders, a little bit. Looks like a little bit of a head and shoulders in here. Neckline, dumping down to our key level. This is where I would have liked to take the trade. I guess I'm not practicing good patience today. It's just all this whip sawing price action today, getting us all excited. Probably a good day to sit out for most people, including myself, I guess, today. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out. Much love to the gang. Head and shoulders top, yeah. Elmer Fudd, we lose the 200 moving average. On the 1 minute, it's down. We'll see. The Trump dump. Is it a buy the rumor, sell the news? I think we had plenty of that yesterday. My God. This thing's rolling over. Rolling. Trying to hold this low. Looks like it's going to come down. If I'm being completely honest. Oh man, what a doozy. What a doozy. I need you guys to start blowing on the candles in the live stream, please. I need some sad music. I don't have any sad music to play, man. Dominance. Can we bounce off the 1 minute? We'll see. We'll see. I decided to sit this one out today and watch the charts. That is a very good idea. I got dizzy blowing the candles. Let's go. You guys are great, man. Thank you for supporting the channel. Blowing on the candles. Kelly's just inverse trading me, making all the money today. All the money for Kelly. I mean, if I wasn't up, I made like 700 here, 700 here. So might be a break-even day today, if anything. Which is fine on a day like this. Here we come. Down we go. Geronimo. Oh, you want to bounce? No, you don't. You don't want to bounce. You're going to take it. Stopped out again. Coming into our 382 level. This is where we were looking for the trade all morning. None of you guys had faith in that trade, and I don't blame you. You guys are all smart. Thank you for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out with me. This is where we should be looking for the trade. Should. Pushing back here a little bit here, retesting the lows. Okay, looking for the trade in here. 382 bounce level. Retest of this low, holding the low here. Trying to push back. We'll see if we do get a bounce from here. Okay. Back on to using our brains. Practicing good risk management. A little bit overextended here. Not trying to buy this up just yet. Like to see it come down here and get a little bit of a bounce, okay? We'll see if we get it. Thank you all for being on the live, hanging out with us. Bitcoin, wild, wild west today. We'll see if it does want to continue down, 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 or up, up, up. It's been a wild one. Nice bounce off VWAP this morning, pushing up. Couple trades, couple longs in here. The break-even trade in here. A nice long up into here. And then stopped out once, stopped out twice. Okay, so pretty much a break-even trade. I would say I'm up a couple hundred today, but I'd have to do the math. Back down to being more level-headed here. Apologies for my little outburst. Okay, we are all human. I guess I just had a good human moment. NASDAQ breaking out, continuation here, looking strong. I mean, all Trump has to say is this thing is going to the moon. I've bought all of it, and that could happen. So I think everybody's wondering what's going to happen today. They're trying to position themselves accordingly. You may just want to get into like a swing trade so you don't get the FOMO, right? You may just want to get into something like this where you're in like 3x leverage and you're just participating, right? You may. You may. This is not me telling you what to do, okay? This is a retest of previous lows coming in right now. Previous lows, retesting. Always a trade that I'm looking for continuation of a short or a continuation of a long. No short. This would be your resistance of the lows, right? Reclaiming this does suggest some good strength, but then if we do reclaim, you want to see a higher low, and that's where you look to take the long. Now that we're pretty much, ooh, nice push here. Now that we're pretty much break even for the day, I'm going to go half a position size. So I'm able to extend this a little bit out here. So the half a position size, even still risking the 300 to make 900. I'll be risking the 300, but I'll have a little bit more room here. And not necessarily making 900. Probably aim for like 6, okay? We shall see, my friends. Look at this pushback. This is a good pushback here coming in. Not easy trading here. This is not easy. V-shaped recovery coming in right now. V-shaped recovery. I guess I wish I lowered my stop loss. Look at this thing ripping. Bitcoin's ripping, baby. Is that grabbing the shorts? That's the question, right? My God, what a day to be in crypto. Thank you everybody for being on the live, hanging out here. I got to get some more coffee, if anything. You guys want to go to 11 today? What is your thoughts? Do you guys want to go to 11? Put a 1 in the chat if you want to go to 11 today. You guys are awesome. You guys want to go to 11? Bitcoin flying, baby. Back up in it. Looking for the long. Oh, man. Teased our level, eh? All the way. My God. Crazy. Might fire off a long here again. Quarter position. Let's go. Quarter position. I can ladder in. Okay, quarter position here. I can add down here if we do come down. What a day, man. I just must be. Yeah, it must be not. Okay, we're in. We're in a quarter position now. It's going to go the other way. Oh, man. Oh, man. I'm going to be on one of those like trading compilation videos where like you take a couple L's, you know? Trump, just say Bitcoin to the moon. Trump, just say it, baby. Just say it, Bitcoin to the moon. Reclaiming the range, V-shaped recovery, continuation. It's very simple trade. Very, very chilled though, because you know it's not a big position size. Very chill. Could add in here the low, if the low holds. You don't want to add. So whenever you're adding to a trade, don't be adding on the way down. Add on the way up, okay? Look for it to bounce. Bounce, then you add here. You don't add as it's falling. Bad practice, in my opinion. If you want to be good at adding to a trade, you add as it's going up in a long. In a short, you add as it's going down, okay? We're doing something like this now. This is below the lows here. Hold it slow. Can we hold here, reclaiming this? This should be lower, like here. Nasty. Nasty price action. Holy smokes, Batman. Bounce? See, if we bounce, then we can add, right? If not, we get stopped out for like $150, whatever. Thank you everybody for being on the live, hanging out. You guys wanna go to 11 today? Look at you guys. You all guys. Thank you everybody for being here, supporting the channel. This is wild price action, man. Look at this whipsaw. Can add on the up. I'm not gonna add to this though. This is crazy, man. This is crazy, man. Look at this shit. All the way up, all the way down, all the way up. That's a big move too. That's 0.5%. All the way up, all the way down. It's got to hold. My God. Push Bitcoin, you nambe pambe. We got an inverse head and shoulders here on the 1 minute trying to push up. We'll see if it does want to push up. Coming back, wrecking the bulls, wrecking the bears. Apples and pears. Trying to push up here. My God. So, like, what do you guys think he's going to say today? Do you think there's going to be, like, some sort of... I don't know. What is he going to say? Tariffs? Daily, is he going to tariff everybody? Okay, we're pushing up here. Coming back up. Higher low. That's where we should have looked to possibly get long. So we could have got long here. Stop loss a little bit tighter, right? Possibly. Quarter position size, baby. We're not going too ham today anymore. We've done the ham trading, holiday ham trading. We are in up here. Yeah, just above here. Nasty. What a day to be involved in crypto, man. Do you guys think we're gonna let me know in the chat? Let me see what we got here. If you guys think that we are going to pump because of Trump or dump because of Trump. Trump will pump the crypto, dump. Today. We need to know today. Today. Obviously, long term it's bullish. Trying to push back here, but line in the sand here is here, right? You can see simply just battling. You gotta go, Bitcoin. You gotta go, man. You gotta go to the moon. I'm gonna target all-time highs, baby. Let's go. I'm going to 109. This is the trade. We're going to 109 today. Big bull flag. You're gonna take your bull flag. You're gonna put your little stick on your flag. And you get your stick. You're gonna take your stick, baby. Your stick's gonna tell you we're going to Valhalla, $110,000 Bitcoin. Hey, and you know what? This actually this works for people, man. I know some people who trade like this. I don't know how they do it, but they do. Some people are successful with the stick men. I guess they started drawing stick men in high school, and they knew that, hey, I'm not going to be an artist, but I can be a chartist. Bitcoin going to the moon. Break even. We're back to break even, man. Even Steven. Oh, man. Even Steven. What did you guys say in the poll? Okay, so you guys are 60-30. 60-30, we're going to get a pump today. Okay. Tariffs are awesome. I'm waiting for Canada to join the United States, to be fair. I mean, cheaper taxes. You guys already buy it. You already protect us. 10-second time frame. Do you want to do it? We can do it. I mean, I got the 5-second here. Here's your 5-second time frame for all you degens. Double top coming down. Double top. Oh, getting bought up. Getting bought down. How about a beep. We want to get the auctioneer voice going on here. Look at this thing. Just choppy. Okay. Sweep down. Push up. Imagine being a market maker. I think it would be fun for like one day. Look at this. One day just being a market maker. We got higher lows coming in here. Higher lows. Trying to push up. Oh, pushing. It's pushing. Look at Bitcoin. It's pushing. My friends, it's pushing. Oh, triple top. Trying to push through. Coming up for the highs. Pushing. We're in profit. We are in profit. We are not in profit. We are in profit. We are not in profit. We are in profit. We are not. You guys are just gonna like unsubscribe and leave. Unsubscribe and just get that garbage out of here. Thank you guys for being here on the live with us. Incredible. Incredible. At least we're always having fun. Trading is waiting. In this kind of downwards channel here, let's get off of this time frame. I can't handle that. That's like hurting my eyes. Looking for a continuation here. A little bit early on this long. Could have waited a little bit longer. A little bit. Looking for the breakout continuation. The flag pattern. NASDAQ. Absolutely ripping. This is bullish. Bullish, baby. Push. Push. S&P not trading today, okay? Flat. Flat AF, okay? Flat at AF. Bitcoin. Now we're not in profits. Upside down. I think this is a little bit higher. Not much. Will it go? Is this the one? 1 minute time frame. BloFin, Phantom, Max knows Bob. You're basically just a territory of the USA, yeah. It is. It's very true. Look at this. Now we're down again. Got this symmetrical triangle here forming. Can this low hold? Higher lows on the way up. Exhaustion at the top. Not looking good. Rolling over. Flagging out. Like we said, we wanted to see down here. NASDAQ ripping. Bitcoin dipping. Very, very choppy price action today, friends. Very, very choppy, okay? Big rollover, grabbing liquidity on the way down. We obviously had that big V-shaped recovery. Whoops. We warned you guys about the dump yesterday in the Discord. If you want to join the Discord, we'd love to have you. Big rollover. Key level. We gave a level up here at 104. We gave the level here. Okay, so we were off by a little bit. However, it did eventually hold that level. Okay, and then it went. Beautiful. Little bit of a Bart Simpson in here. Coming back down. Getting bought up quite quickly here. Okay, looking for this continuation trade. Back up to the all-time highs. We'll see if we get it. Break even right now. Break even. We'll see if it does want to even Steven all the way up to Valhalla, to the moon. We'll see. We'll see. Looking for this thing to continue. Trying to get acceptance back into this range. 108.5. Okay, really, really battling here, which is good. If we're looking at this volume-wise, right? We look at this. We don't have a heck of a lot of volume in here. So if we're pulling volume just in general, in this general region, right? So you have, you know, a very swift drop to the downside here. If it's going to happen. Very swift. Taylor Swift. But then you have this volume node that you're starting to get acceptance in. So can you come to the top of this volume node? 108. 108.6. Okay. Currently in this. Break even. Even Steven. Dumping down now. My God. Pulling on our heartstrings. Which way will Bitcoin go, right? When we're looking at our oscillators, we're looking for that reset. We said coming into about 9:30, 9:40 for the trigger wave. We got the trigger wave here on the 3 minute, the 5 minutes, green dotting. The 12 minutes, something we were interested in. We said this is going to take some time. However, the time is now, Bitcoin. You got to go. You got to go to the moon. We are long. We are long. We got to push here. This is the one, Bitcoin. Will it go? Will it go? Is the question. Breakout, retest, continuation to the upside. Will we get it? Looking strong here, Bitcoin. Push to the highs, to the heavens, to wherever you want to go. All we know is that Donald Trump is our friend, and he's going to help us make money. Thank you for being on the live with me, hanging out. We got 350 people in here. Incredible. You guys have told me to go to 11, so we're long. We're long. We're long. Let's go. Let's go, Bitcoin. Okay, I'm moving stop loss to entry, guys. No, I'm moving stop loss way up, though. Way up here. Stop loss is chasing now. Oh, no. Coming back. Okay, stop loss below the low. Stop loss below this low here. Break it. Break it, Bitcoin. Go. Go. Go, 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 go. Teasing us. It's teasing us. Coming up to the tops. It's teasing us. Doesn't want to explode for us. Donald Trump for president. In it to win it. In it to win it. Doesn't want to continue. Big rejection here. Stop loss below this low now. Looking for this continuation. Oh, man. You nasty Bitcoin. Quarter position size. Just looking for this thing to run. NASDAQ looking strong. Trump coin pushing up here. Ethereum pushing up here. Bitcoin flat. Bitcoin flat. Celestia. This is why you don't trade altcoins in situations like this. NASDAQ all breaking through to the other side. Pink Floyding. Brick in the wall. And you guys hanging out with me in the DGen corner today. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Trump pump, FDL, F the world. Let's go. We're in it. We're in it. We're in it, baby. That's the thing. We're in it to win it. Trying to recoup my $600. Let's go. The Doors, Jim Morrison. Let's go. If you guys talking about ribs, we got to mention Marilyn Manson. Is that the guy who removed? Did that guy remove his rib? You know, that guy must have had some serious mental health issues. Thank you, everybody, for subscribing, hanging out with us. It's a bit of a DGen day today. If you are new, come over and hang in our Discord. Would love to have you. An amazing group of people. Everybody winning, everybody chilling, everybody growing, learning, scalping, swing trading, TA all day, every day, all-in levels, making money. I mean, that Ondo trade. Oh, wee. Beautiful Ondo trade. Okay, some great trades in here. Brewberry's going live. Probably go and hang out with Brewberry. Uh-oh, we got some long trades here from Thesis. Oh no, we got bias. Kyle as well in here, giving us warning about the Trump rug. All right, the Trump rug. A beautiful family live stream today at 12 o'clock. Come over and join us. $1 a day. It's an amazing discount. Prices will not be that low for long. I tell you that much. I feel like I'm doing myself a disservice, but that's okay. That's okay. We make our money from trading. YouTuber second. YouTubing second. Discord second. Trading first. Traders helping traders. That's how we roll. The Otter gang. All right. So really not getting above here. Not getting above here. Struggling. The NASDAQ in a rejection a little bit. It's got to go, man. It's got to go. Trump pushing, NASDAQ pushing, the S&P's flat. Let's go to the Dixie. Dixie's ripping. People are afraid of tariffs. My wife's probably like, it's 9:57. Is he going to be finished today? You guys got to tell her. I'm not going to tell her. I got to get more coffee. I'll move my stop loss down a little bit here. We are in the trade. I got to get more coffee. I'll be right back. Yeah, put on a pot of coffee for you guys. Pump it up. Gotta go, man. I look like Frankenstein. Unless it's trapping longs right here. This is a bull flag continuation. Making us wait, that's for damn sure. Come on, Bitcoin. All-time highs. Donald Trump, president. Come on, man. Let's push. Got a long way to go, man. Let's go. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. I appreciate every single one of you guys smashing those like buttons, subscribing if you're new. Trump is entering in 2 hours. Yeah. 2 hours. He's going to send Bitcoin to the moon. It's almost like risky not to be in a long. Does that make sense? XRP's breaking out. Bitcoin's dumping right now. Now we're down. Now we're down. Okay, Bitcoin dumping again, coming down, rolling over. Looking for a higher low coming right now. This would be the retest. Just going to put this down here. As we are committed to this trade. We are committed. We are definitely committed. Thank you guys for subscribing. We just hit 5,954 subscribers. I do appreciate you guys smashing up that like button, subscribing if you are new. We're here Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Scalping this thing. Trying to make a buck. Trying to help you make a buck. All that good stuff. Big dump here for Bitcoin. We can add. Remember, we can add to lower our average price here, but not necessarily gonna. I'd rather just... Wow, rollover. Stalling out at the top here, rolling over. That's nasty. That's nasty. We are still looking here if we do roll over and get stopped out. NASDAQ, rejection. Bitcoin. The thing is, news can hit at any time right now. So you need to be prepared. You need to make sure you use a stop loss, right? If you don't do that, you're gambling and you could get liquidated, and you don't want to do that. You don't. Bounce Bitcoin. Trying to hold here. Up, down. Very, very volatile. I'm going to put this over here because sometimes it's hard to watch price action. Just so you guys know. I would, thinking about this, right? And anticipating a Trump pump, right? That's what we're anticipating. So if we're going to get a Trump pump, they're definitely going to try and wreck the bulls, right? Beforehand. Just a thought, right? Just a thought. Just a thought. And they're not going to make it easy to get into this long trade. So you might want to just use a bigger stop loss, Less risk, right? Less risk. Pushing up. Pushing up. Let's go, Bitcoin. Let's go, you corny thing. You got to go. You got to go. You got to go. You got to go. It doesn't have to, but, we would prefer it to go. I almost want to take this off and re-enter and reevaluate the situation. What do you guys think? Should we close it and re-enter, or should we hold it? Put a 1 in the chat to hold it. Put a 2 in the chat to close it. Let me know. Gonna wait till Trump gets out of church to see what happens. That's always a good idea. 1 to hold, 2 to close it. Dave says close it. Is that financial advice, Dave? Are you telling me what to do? Hold. Let me know in the chat. Hold or close? Hold or close? 2 and re-enter. Yeah. Okay. Kind of stuck in the middle of the range, eh? I think we can get a better entry. What do you guys think? But we're pumping now, baby. We're pumping. We're going to the moon. Again. Is this the one? Is this the one? We're in profits again. Okay, stop loss to entry. Stop loss to entry. So we're like here, okay? Stop loss to entry. Risk-free trade now. Risk-free trade. Stop loss to entry. You got to go now, Bitcoin. You got to go now. This is the one. Trump's out of church. This is the one. Push. Come on, Trumpy, pumpy. Don't you dare come back at me. Oh, man. The whipsaw is the story of the day. Shout out to everybody in here hanging out with me. Going a little bit late today. My wife's probably going to be upset with me. Oh, coming back against us. Okay, stopped out. We were up $300 at some point there. Okay, we're out of the trade. Looking to re-enter. This is the same spot. We could re-enter right here. We are out of the trade. All right, now let's look again. I think that's good. Could have taken the money up here. That would have been better, but that's okay. That's okay. Volatile AF. Okay, NASDAQ cooling off. Okay, cooling off here. NASDAQ trying to push. Retest coming back in here. Probably a better idea. Okay, flagging out here. We'll see if we come for this low. That's still where I'm looking. Like, can we come into here? If you want to see the break-even trade, here's your break-even trade. Okay, I put my stop loss a little bit higher. $0.50, baby. 50 cents. Oh man. So resetting. We'll see what else happens today. Thank you everybody for being here, hanging out with me. I appreciate you guys hanging on the live. We got 356 people in here. 190 likes. You guys are great, man. You guys are great. Thank you so much. You guys are great. Now send it, says Yasin. Thanks, Yasin, for being here, man. I really appreciate your kind message. You need a timeout. Trump's breaking out. Uh-oh, here we go. Trump's breaking out. Look at this. You got a breakout from the flag here. Bitcoin flat. Looking lower. Looking for a sweep down into here. Any trades taken? Yeah, we've taken 2 longs this morning, here and here. We took a short, a long in here, quick $50 win. Then we took 2 losses, actually. 2 losses, a little slippage in here, $600 loss. Break-even trade just now. Okay. So we're just above break-even for the day, but on the live, we're down. So ugly price action. Ugly price action. Trump trying to push up here. Bitcoin rolling over. Good close, I guess. I guess you'd call that a good close. Putting on half a position size. A little bit more wiggle room. Looking for this thing to continue onwards and upwards. We got a busy day ahead of us. We'll see how this wants to go. Looking for a potential long, maybe a sweep of the lows in here. Sweep of the lows if we get a nice bounce. Stock market is closed today. Favoring down here. We'll see what we get. We'll see what we get. That is the key. Is we got to be patient here. This is wild, man. We got higher lows coming in here. Trigger wave to the downside here on Market Cipher. Rolling over stochastics. VWAP's resetting though. Thank you everybody for being here. Subscribe if you are new. We'll see what we get here. Very flat. Whipsaw flat. Whipsaw and flat. Whipsaw and flat. We'll see. It's probably going to try and bore us out, right? Try and bore us out and then just rip. So, you know, we had the idea of just being in like a long like this, but we might be able to get into a long like this where, you know, maybe it comes down low enough so we can protect ourselves below this key level. Give ourselves a little bit better of an entry compared to our last one. Right? Still be looking for that swing, but not in the middle of the range, maybe at the bottom of the range here. Be looking for something like this. If it gives it to us, that's the thing. Right? Order block it here. Order block down below us. Price action chopping, right? NASDAQ, resetting, Trump, retesting, Bitcoin, flagging, right? So typically you want to buy at the bottom of the flag, but you don't want to be a victim of the rollover, right? So patience here. $339 people in here. That's crazy, man. You guys are awesome. You guys are awesome. Re-entry below 107,200. Yeah, we're looking around 107. 107, 107.1. We'll see if we get it. This looks like a very scammy double top. You see? Okay, rolling over a little bit here. It's crazy. It goes from like super, super fast moving price action to like really just flat, really flat, right? We can see that in the volume here, where we had that big rollover and then a push up and then flat. So stalling out here, trapping possible longs. That's what I would like to think is it's trapping longs in this area. Looking to push price back into, you know, these areas in here, whether it's our golden pocket or okay, here's a good push down. This could be a bottom. We bounce back up here aggressively. We could get long. Want to see us come up above this candle here. Rollover, bounce. Put a stop loss in here. No. No push. No push. You do have the mitigation of this low. Still holding. Push Bitcoin. You got to go. I like to strengthen this candle. Next candle, continuation. Next candle, continuation. Nope, follow through down. Follow through down. Coming down for the lows here. Here's that sweep we're looking for. Looking to get long in here. Looking to get long in here. We waited all this time for this sweep. Are we going to get a sweep or not? Bounce, Bitcoin. It's got to go. Got to bounce. No bounce. This is weak. Come on, bounce, Bitcoin. No bounce. Coming down to 382 here. Looking for the long here. Tight stop loss, going to get in. Entered. Dang. Ooh, man. Nasty. Still dumping. Okay, stopped out. Still going. My God. Coming all the way down to our golden pocket now. Big dump coming in. Anybody getting in the short? Holy smokes. No trade. See if we bounce off the golden pocket here. My God, what a nasty dump there. Rolling over. Got to go shovel. My God. Big dump here. No trade. So 382 is not resistance. No, it's eliminated. 382 level's gone. Coming down for the low here. Bouncing out of here. Little pushback. Got to bounce. Can we get recovery out of here? Nice pushback out of our golden pocket. Continuation. Slide quarter position today, man. Holy smokes. Busy. Busy day. Wild whipsaw action. Send it to those who are in the short. Nice short double top. Rolling over here. Good call. Good call. At least we closed that trade up here as well. Quick stop out here. This looks like it's following through to the downside here. Coming down. Coming down. Wrecking the bulls. Wrecking the bulls this morning. Golden pocket bounce level. We'll see if it does bounce out of here. Oh. No constructive price action right now. This just looks like continuation down. Golden pocket bounce. Can it go? Can it go? Might take a little stab here. Very tight stop loss. Not yet. Volume cranking. Volume cranking, baby. Kraken wagon. Looking for that V-shaped recovery. Do we get it off of here or not? Or is Trump just dumping it on us? You're going to love what I do for Bitcoin. I'm going to send it to zero. Let's go. What a day. What a day. Liquidity in these lows, right? No trade yet. Got 786 still down here. This is a bounce level, though. We got VWAP below us as well. Okay. Couple of options down here, which is better than what we were looking at up there. So it's a good thing we got out of that trade. Stopped out quickly on that 382 level. Tapping shorts for a squeeze. Yeah. We hope so. We hope so. Big drop, yeah. 1.5% drop. That's why we highly suggest trading with like half position size right now. Check the news. Got news. Well, inauguration's at 12. Some people will be streaming this all day. I'm sure there's some people you can look at for the news. I ain't no news channel. I ain't here to give you news updates. This thing's rolling over big time. Big time rollover. Double bottom bounce possibility right now. Not something I'm trading. I look VWAP here, if anything. This is nasty. NQ. Trump dump. NQ. Dixie ripping. NQ. Yeah. Double bottom. Big push up. Considering a long here. Not yet, though. Big battle here. Big battle. Wild price action today. My God. A lot of the time, it's better to stay. I'm down for the day now. I'm down probably a couple hundred. That's fine. A lot of people here. You know, some days like this, most likely you should stay away. Stay away. No trade yet. Whipsaw. But we're live, hanging out with you guys here. 300 people in the live. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. A wild, wild day. I'm going to go and have some breakfast with me wife. I got to teach in a bit, so it's been a fun one. I will be on the Discord live with you guys at 12, so if you do want to come over and hang out there, we'd love to have you. We'll see you over there. Crazy day, man. Crazy day. Be careful out there. It's not going to be kind to you. If anything, it's going to destroy you. So be careful out there. Make sure you guys are, taking your losses like a champ as well. Like that's part of it. Is like you need to be using very strict risk management in this kind of situation, okay? It's not for the look at this V-shaped recovery coming right up. It's not for the faint of heart, as they say, the faint of farts. Oh, man. So, I will see you guys later. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Good fun. Always good fun. Thank you so much for being here, supporting the channel. Come over and hang out in the Discord. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bitcoin to the moon, hopefully today. If it does go parabolic or something, maybe I'll come back on and live and we'll see what goes on from there. But thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. I will see you guys tomorrow at minimum. All right. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, that flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.